What's going on, guys? My name is Alec Fuller with Choice Communications, and I am going to show you just a quick overview on how the phone works, the different buttons, etc. First, to start out, um, this is the volume keys right here. When you're not on the phone, these are ringtone volume keys. So, for instance, if you hit the minus key, the ringtone's going to lower. If you hit the plus key, the ringtone's going to increase. Um, when you're on the phone, however, these are call volume keys. So when you're on the phone and you're like, oh, I think that person's a little low, I can't really hear him, press this and make sure it's all the way up. A lot of times that's what it is. Moving on to the speaker button key, which is right here, this orange button. This when your handset's on hook, this will initiate a call. You'll hear a dial tone. If you're on the phone and you want to go to speakerphone, all you have to do is just hit this key. This right here is a dial, pretty much a dial key. So after you get done typing a number or an extension here that you want to call, you can always hit this button and it will initiate the call. There's also one here that I will get to later, but yeah, this is probably the quickest way. Dial the number, and a lot of times, guys, you don't have to dial the area code if it's local, but outside local, you definitely have to dial it with the area code. Um, Extensions would be just your extension internally that you want to dial. Moving on to these, this is a transfer key, the two phones. This is a transfer key. There is two ways to transfer. There is a key right here when you're on the phone, and then there's this that stays consistent, obviously. So there is a two-phase transfer. I tell people a lot of times that when you hit the transfer key and you dial the number's not going to go out. The call's not going to transfer unless you hit this transfer key again. So, for instance, if I want to transfer to someone, I can do so by being on the phone, hit this button, dial the extension or a cellular phone that you want to dial with the area code, and then I have to hit this button again for it to actually transfer out. As soon as you have hit this, hit the transfer key, dial the number, and hit the transfer key again, you can hang up the phone. Um, that's transferring. Now, for the muting, this is your mute button right here. A lot of people use this if someone's coming up to your desk that you're unaware of, or you have a quick question, to your neighbor in another cubicle or another office. You would just hit that button real quick, go ask them the question, and then you would hit this button again to unmute the person. Now, when you put the mute button on, they do not hear hold music. All they do is hear dead air. And a lot of people ask that question. This right here is a headphone button. If you guys are using headphones, you would hit this and you would hear dial tone on your headphone. It's pretty much like it's pretty much like taking the handset and lifting it up. You'll hear the dial tone. Same thing with this. You hit that key and you're gonna hear dial tone in your headset. So this right here, the three heads, this is a conference call button. So, for instance, when you're on the phone, much like the transfer key, this is a two phase. So when you're on the phone, you would hit this key, dial the extension or cell number that you want to dial with the area code, and then you would hit this button again. Now you guys would be merged together into the same call. So it's hit this button, dial the extension or phone number, and then hit this button again to merge, and so it's a three-way. Now you can do this again. So if you have three people on, you would hit this button again, dial the extension or phone number, and then hit this. I believe the conference calls go up to five people, in some phones more. But if you have any questions about that, please reach out to our support team. Um, so right here, these are keys. Now these are different for almost every customer. Um, Please get with us about these because these can be pretty different. So in terms of transferring, if you had an extension right here, so let's say for instance this was extension 101. So you would initiate the transfer by hitting this key or this key, and then all you would have to do is hit this button, and the phone will actually transfer the call to the person you want to transfer to. So instead of having to dial the number, it would just be a matter of keys being programmed, and now you can hit transfer and then whoever you want to. That's that. Some people have hold buttons that are here as well, but like I said, that gets pretty specific to each customer. So reach out to us with questions about that, and we will definitely take care of you. Up here is a hold button. So this is not a system-wide hold. This is a personal hold that is specific to your phone. So if you're on a call with someone and you don't want everyone to know that this person's on hold, or it's a personal call that you need to put on hold for a couple minutes to ask a question, whatever it may be, you would hit this pause button. The person on the other line would actually hear hold music, and they would hear our default hold music. That can be changed, by the way, guys. If you guys ever want to in the future, you can always change hold music to either a commercial that you guys have, or specific kinds of music. We do have some options. So you would hit the pause button. The person on the other line would hear hold music, and then you would hit the pause button again to get the person back on the line. Right here is the address book. I will tell you, I don't recommend it. I don't recommend using it. It takes a long time, especially doing it on the phone. It takes a long time to put in the letters and put in the numbers, and that's what you guys pay us for. If you have speed dials that you want system-wide for everyone or specific for you, we can absolutely program those up for you. Just send an email to the support team, and we will absolutely do it for you. Right up here is the mailbox. So if you click this, if you're just getting the phone, you'll click that, and it'll ask you to either put in a PIN if you're on the reInvent platform, or if you're on the Flat Planet platform, it will ask you to set up mailbox options, which I believe is 0. And when you hit 0, it's pretty much like recording a house phone. You would record your unavailable greeting or your name, or it would ask you to leave it as default. Which the default voicemail pretty much says, the person at extension so is unavailable at this time. Please leave your name, number, and a message. It's very standard, but if you want to change that, you can absolutely do it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please email us or reach out to support. Thank you so much.